Besides the worry that we have as to whether or not the good medical care that she is getting is going to pull her through and give us a cure is one thing. But to be worrying from day to day to day whether or not she is going to move over that annual cap, and she came very close last year. She's already pushing on. The child's in the hospital at least 1 week out of every month, if not more. We're talking about all insurance policies right now have lifetime caps. What if we get a cure? What if we get the miracle and she gets a cure and we don't have the law to protect her? We don't have the law to get rid of the lifetime cap. Then this child from the age of 4 on will not be eligible for insurance once she is adult and moves on.
They're doing it requiring that everyone participate so that the healthy and the sick all share that cost. So the insurance company can afford to stay in business. If we don't require everyone to have health insurance, the insurance company is going to go broke. Honestly, I would much rather have an accountable government who I can elect every 2 or 3 years, 2 or 4 years. But you guys are a good example. There's been a lot of political footholds made by the Tea Party, and I respect that. You guys are a good example. You can change the politics, you can change the politicians, but I cannot change the bureaucrats and the profit-oriented people who run the insurance companies.